Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Chevy Cruze. Stock number is A6819. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. I'll look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Firestone tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera here on the back. Taking a look inside of the trunk. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, Cruze audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and CD player. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Cruze on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.